around 30 ml almond milk मैं इसमें डाल रही हूँ. This was the condition of my skin. I'm like really stupid, guys. I just realized, right? I have already arranged my skincare section. I'll show it to you. Good morning everyone. Welcome to another vlog. मैं अभी actually जा रही थी अपने लिए कॉफी बनाने के लिए and I thought that I'll show you the recipe of my favorite coffee. So this is one coffee which I make every morning. Breakfast usually मैं उतना करती नहीं हूँ, but I obviously the first thing that I drink in the morning is coffee. हम लोग वैसे सिर्फ black coffee पीते हैं like throughout the day, but ये वाली बस एक coffee मैं morning में पीती हूँ जो मेरे लिए breakfast का भी काम कर देती है because it is made of almond milk. I'll just show it to you. So the first thing that you need is obviously a cup. ये हमारे brand का cup है from House of Shivangi. और coffee चाहिए तो ये David of coffee है and apart from this इसमें ना मैं थोड़ी सी ये country bean की coffee mix करने वाली हूँ. There's a hazelnut coffee. Then I have some stevia over here. Sugar हम लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं avoid करने की. That's why I'm putting in stevia in this. And almond milk. Now इसमें cup में ना थोड़ा सा almond milk I'm gonna take. Not a lot. Around 30 ml almond milk मैं इसमें डाल रही हूँ. Then a little bit of this hazelnut country bean hazelnut coffee and 1 teaspoon of your favorite coffee. David of के अलावा और कोई सी भी हो सकती है. Okay. This is how it's looking like, okay? I have this hand blender which I got from IKEA. It's really nice, guys. 99 rupees का है. It is so good. इससे मैं पूरी blend कर लेती हूँ ये coffee. This is how it works, yeah, and it gives a lot of froth to the coffee as well. Now that this is ready, oh, I forgot to add stevia. I add about 2 drops of stevia. That's it. मुझे stevia ना बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं लगता है यार. It has that aftertaste which I don't like. And then to this, I'm gonna add more almond milk. That's it. Honestly, more than that normal milk वाली coffee, मुझे ना almond milk वाली coffee ज़्यादा पसंद है because it is really yummy, guys. It is so yummy. It's really good. Try it. You got drenched.
Right.
बहुत ज़्यादा काम नहीं किया.
नहीं, I think ये टूट गया है. Seriously, because of the wind is so much that ये टूट गया है.
Did it go upright? Like वो पूरा उड़ जाता है ना, छाता से उल्टा हो जाता है.
I'll show you. I had to hold it like this.
I'll tell you something. एक बार पता है मेरे साथ क्या हुआ था? ये वाला ना उल्टा हो गया था हवा से. This thing.
किसी का हुआ है.
उल्टा छाता.
किसी का हुआ है.
I'm taking you to my studio again because I have few updates to give you. Wait, I'll just set the camera नीचे. So last week I went to a dermat because my skin was acting up. Now हो क्या रहा था कि जब भी मैं foundation लगा रही थी और उसके बाद foundation को set कर रही थी, right? A lot of dry patches were showing up on my skin for some reason. I'll show you an image over here. So this was the condition of my skin last week. और skin ना बहुत sandpaper जैसे feel हो रही थी मुझे. So I went to a dermat. मेरे जो dermat है वो जुहू में है यहाँ पे. His name is Dr. Puneet Saraugi and he's been my dermat since 2015. First thing that he asked me was if I've started using any new product skincare में या makeup में. So I told him that nothing as such, बस वो vitamin C के लिए ordinary का जो vitamin C होता है 12% वाला, that I've been using. तो ordinary के vitamin C के लिए he told me that that is pretty strong. You should not use it every day. Then he said that कोई ऐसा makeup product which is not of great quality या ऐसा कुछ use किया है क्या? He asked me. एक ऐसी चीज थी जो हुई थी, मैंने अभी कुछ दिन पहले ना बहुत सारा makeup खरीदा था नायका से, which was like the cheapest makeup on नायका. उसका मुझे वीडियो बनाना था बट मैंने बनाया नहीं. I did test out those products, so I don't know अगर उसमें से कुछ react किया मेरे skin पे या क्या हुआ. I have no idea. He prescribed me few creams for the treatment and he told me that for 4 days try and avoid applying loose powder or compacts. Just in 3 days there's so much of difference on my skin. मैं ना हमेशा सबको बोलती रहती हूँ that you should always try and get makeup which is of high quality. Like don't really cheap out too much on makeup because जो बहुत सस्ते वाले products होते हैं ना वो लोग अपने ingredients वगैरह ज़्यादा बताते नहीं हैं and sometimes they can react badly on your skin. Like मतलब literally the first thing which my dermat asked was, did you use anything like any low quality skincare or makeup, or did you change your skincare in any way? कभी भी आप शॉपिंग कर रहे हैं तो एक बार जरूर चेक करिएगा कि वहां पे इंग्रेडिएंट्स प्रॉपर्ली उन्होंने बताए हुए हैं कि नहीं, वो मेकअप मतलब कहाँ से आया है, क्या है, मतलब बेसिकली ये थोड़ी सी ट्रांसपेरेंसी होनी चाहिए. Today is a bit of a cleanup day. I was just going through all the stuff and I just saw this bag is so beautiful. This is from MAC. I had completely forgotten about it. They'd sent their lipsticks in this bag. I think I still have these lipsticks in it. Yeah, I still have few lipsticks in this bag. So anyway, I'm sorting this because I also need to kind of arrange this drawer unit. I have already arranged my skincare section. I'll show it to you. This is my skincare section, guys. Honestly, I tried to like arrange it as neatly as possible. I use these boxes which I got from IKEA, the smaller one and this one. And this black box that you see was actually a PR box. So I have repurposed it. Now, in this section is everything that I apply on my face, including my lenses. There's some ordinary stuff, there's Clinique, and other stuff which my dermat also gave me. It's a mix of things, but this is everything that I apply on my face, basically. Now, here I've kept all the tiny stuff, my lip balms, lip scrubs. I also have these little samples and eye creams which I got in PR. Like, this is also a Clinique eye cream which I recently got in PR. So here I have basically kept all these tiny things. Over here, I have kept my supplements which I take and some other random things, including my makeup remover. Like this is an eye makeup remover, which is really good, by the way. This is my favorite. This is what I use. Again, there is a makeup remover. This is Clinique Take the Day Off Balm, and another Clinique moisturizer over here, some earbuds, and this is also a makeup remover. I could not keep it upright because the drawer was not shutting. So I just, kept it like this. I have my combs and brushes also here and some cotton pads. Okay. Now, going over to this section, I've actually not arranged it much. This is the pouch which I actually use a lot. Like, I actually reach out for this pouch a lot because this has all my tweezers and facial razors and, a lot of things like my filers and stuff. I've kept all the tools in this pouch. I've also kept my straighteners over here. This is a new one which I bought from Remington. This is a Dyson Corral. This is another Remington straightener which I have to give for repair actually. This is another PR box where I've kept few new things which I bought and got in PR, and a Boroline, like this is a staple in my skincare, and just air fresheners. I'm yet to put more things in this drawer. Let's see. I'll tell you a little bit about this corner. This is a new addition in the studio. There's a cherry blossom artificial plant, which I again bought from IKEA. And these lights, these are the lights which I bought from IKEA. I just found them so pretty. It just gives that super soft effect. I wanted to get something green, but then Arjun told me that, you want to keep a very clean aesthetic. So might as well just get something like white and pink and something of a lighter color. So that's why I bought this and I'm super happy with it. I think it looks so good on the camera. And here, of course, I have our beautiful candle Muse. So I always light up a brand's candle whenever I'm recording videos. And this is a stand on which I keep the candle. This I think I got from Bath and Body Works. This stand, this is also pretty old. All of this is obviously not there when I'm recording, but yeah, this is my backdrop, guys. I'm cleaning up, that's why there's stuff on the floor. I know I haven't shown you this section of the drawer. This one is the confidential section because this has a lot of Sharon stuff and our brand stuff and samples and stuff. So this is not a drawer which I can show you. This bottom drawer has all my art stuff, like my painting stuff, painting and art stuff. Everything has actually fit in perfectly in this drawer. The first section has some PR boxes. There's also a lighter for the candle. I'm like really stupid, guys. I'm like, I just realized that so the lens that I have on this camera is not a zoom lens. It's a prime lens, okay? It has just one magnification. But I realized today that I can actually do a bit of zoom on the camera, and I don't know how this is happening because this is not a zoom lens. Now, Arjun was telling me that I was asking him if it will spoil my lens, but he's saying that that won't happen. That won't happen, no?
That's a dumb question.
I thought that I'm really good with technology, but clearly I still have a lot to learn. So, anyway, guys, this was my backdrop tour and my cleanup.
Backdrop tour.
Backdrop tour.
ये क्या है backdrop tour?
Backdrop tour, as in I was just showing everyone like what all I have in my
It's a
backdrop.
backdrop tour.
Backdrop, like what they see at
Backdrop.
backdrop. No, backdrop. I just randomly wanted to share this with you today. I was doing a bit of cleanup, so I thought that I'll show you a few of the things. I'll definitely show you more. I'll take you through my makeup vanity as well someday. Once I arrange it and clean it up a bit, I will definitely show it to you. It should be pleasing to the eyes, right? Like I can't just show you a mess. I can, but still, I would want to clean it and then show it to you. अब इसे यहीं पे खत्म करते हैं. अगर आप ये कॉफी बनाते हैं, if you're gonna make this coffee, then please let me know if you liked it or not. Trust my word on this. Once you make this, you're not gonna go back. I'm gonna see you in the next one, guys. Take care of yourself and stay safe. I love you. Mwah. Bye.